We've got some fancy tech cord that we need to cut down to length. How do we do so when it won't burn? Hi there, I'm Jason. If you watched a video we did about some of the soft goods I carry on my climbing rack, you know that I carry a cordelette of sterling PowerCord, which is only 5.9 millimeters, but has a tensile strength of nearly 20 kilonewtons. It's made from a Technora core, which is in the family of Kevlar, and is covered by a nylon sheath. As we've seen a proliferation of technical materials used in climbing soft goods, Technora, aramid, and the like, we've also seen our old standby methods of cutting those soft goods no longer work. We used to be able to just use a hot knife or scissors followed up with a cauterizing flame to cut down our ropes and cord. But these new technical fibers are fire resistant. And further, we are now seeing cut-resistant dynamic ropes that are incorporating these materials too. So, what are our options for dealing with these flame-resistant materials when we want to ensure our ends aren't at risk of unraveling? There is one method that calls for wrapping the cut point in tape to hold the weave in place, making our cut, and then adding a cap of superglue over the top. After it dries, we then remove the tape and add more superglue along the sheath near the end. There's another method that I use more often though, because it can be done without waiting for 2 different applications of glue to dry. I want a sharp ceramic knife that will make a clean cut of the material. Now I can pull out some of the core, exposing maybe 2 centimeters. I next cut that exposed core again, leaving a longer sheath than I have core. I can then milk the core back deeper into the sheath, leaving a bit of end that is only sheath, nylon in this case. Of course, nylon cauterizes just fine, so I can heat the end with a lighter and then roll the end to keep it from fanning out. So, there's a couple of ways to cut the new technical materials we are finding in the newest climbing soft goods. Do you carry any Technora, aramid, or similar material on your climbing rack? Tell us what material, or maybe why you don't, in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share if you want to support us. For more information, you can go to our website at www.shortguysbetaworks.com. You can watch that video I mentioned about some of the modern materials I've added to my rack and why, or you can check out our entire gear-related series. We'll see you next week and keep on getting more out of that big outside.